Good morning, all of you. Peace be upon you and your family. Unit 5 Coordination Chemistry, and in this video we are going to discuss about facial isomer or meridional isomer. Facial isomer or meridional isomer. Facial isomer is also called FAC isomer, and meridional isomer is also called mer isomer. First, in which type of coordination compound facial and meridional isomer occur? The isomers coordination compound octahedral complexes, this isomer not exhibit in square planar complexes, only in octahedral complexes. M is central metal ion, and in A3B3 molecule, 3 ligands are similar ligand, other 3 ligands are similar ligands, N plus or minus. Facial and meridional isomers occurs only this type of complexes, octahedral complexes. Taking an example with the cobalt 3 plus ion, cobalt 3 plus ion, central metal ion CO3 plus, A3 coordination number 6 Cl3 and B3 coordination number 6, 3 plus 3, 6 coordination positions are occupied by 3Cl3 and 3Cl. 1 chlorine 1 minus, 3 chlorine 3 minus, 1 Cn 1 minus, 3 Cn 3 minus. When we add these three, we will get minus 3 on the complex. Depending upon the 3 position of chlorine and Cn, facial and meridional isomers occur. First, we are going to see how to draw the structure of these complexes in facial isomer. Facial isomer is also called FAC isomer. Facial isomer is also called FAC isomer. What is meant by facial isomer? Now I define the facial isomer. If the three similar ligands are present in the corners of one triangular face of the octahedron, and the other 3 similar ligands are present in the opposing triangular face, then the isomer is referred to as facial isomer. If the 3 similar ligands are present in the corners of the triangular face of the octahedron, and other 3 ligands are present in the opposing triangular face, then the isomer is called facial isomer. Now we are going to draw the structure of facial isomer. We know the central metal ion is cobalt 3 plus ion, CO3 plus ion. The 3Cl are now occupying corners of one triangular faces of the octahedron. 3Cl minus are occupying the corners of the one triangular faces, and another 3 ligands Cn, another 3 ligands occupy the opposing corner of the triangular faces, is called facial or FAC isomer. This is one triangular faces pointing towards upside, opposing another triangular faces pointing towards downward. This is called facial isomer. Now, we are going to discuss about one more isomer called meridional isomer. Meridional isomer. It is also called mer isomer. Meridional isomer, also called mer isomer. Meridional mer isomer. So before drawing the structure, first we have to define the meridional isomer or mer isomer. What is meridional isomer? If the three similar ligands, what is our coordination compound? Cobalt 3 plus, cobalt 3 plus, Cl3, Cn thrice, 3 minus. What is the IUPAC name of this compound? Both the ligand names start with C, chlorido, cyanido. So we have to compare the second letter. In chlorido, second letter is H. In cyanido, second letter is Y. Therefore, Cl come first. Now I am writing the IUPAC name of this complex. Trying chlorido, trying cyanido, kappa C. C is the donor atom because Cn is ambitendate ligand. Negative complex, therefore central metal ion name end with 8. Cobaltate, cobaltate, oxidation state 3. Ion name end with ion, cobaltate 3 ion. Now I define meridional isomer or mer isomer. If the three similar ligands are present around the meridian, what is meridian? Which is an imaginary circle from one apex of the tetrahedral to the opposite apex. The isomer is called meridional isomer or also called mer isomer. This is called meridional because each set of ligands can be recorded as lying on the meridian of an octahedron. So once again, I am giving the definition of meridional isomer. If the three similar ligands are present around the meridian, which is an imaginary semicircle from one apex of the octahedron to the opposite apex. The isomer is called meridional isomer. This is called meridional because each set of ligands can be recorded as lying on the meridian of an octahedron. Now we are going to draw the compound as meridional isomer. Central metal ion cobalt at the center, cobalt at the center. This is one apex and this one is another apex. So, three ligands, say for an example, Cl, chlorido. If the three ligands, here one Cl, here another Cl, third Cl. Other three ligands are Cn. Other three ligands are Cn. One Cn, here cyanido kappa C, cyanido kappa C, cyanido kappa C. Meridional isomer. If the three similar ligands are present around the meridian, which is an imaginary circle, semicircle from one apex of the octahedral to the opposite apex, this one apex, another one apex, and this isomer is called meridional isomer. This is called meridional because each set of ligands can be recorded as lying on the meridian of an octahedron. Now you are seeing the three-dimensional arrangement of facial isomer and meridional isomer. In the first structure, cobalt 3 plus is at the center, and when you see the green color Cl minus radical, that 3 Cl minus ligands are present in the corners of one triangular face, and also see that 3 Cn minus ion, which is indicated in orange color, Cn minus ion, cyanidocapacity, that 3 Cn minus ion are present in the opposing triangular face. Cl minus ion occupy the corners of one triangular face, and another 3 Cn minus ion occupy in the opposing triangular face. Then the isomer is referred as a facial isomer. And see, the second structure indicate meridional isomer. Here also the Cl minus ion are indicated by green color. These 3 Cl minus ions are present from one apex of the octahedral to the opposite apex and form a meridian. In the vertical meridian, 3 Cl minus ions are present. See the orange Cn minus ion, they are present horizontally in the opposite direction of the meridian. Cl minus ions are about 90 degree and perpendicular to 3 Cl, 3 Cn minus are also present. This is called meridional because each set of ligands, Cl3 and Cn3, each set of ligands can be recorded as lying on a meridian of an octahedron. Both Fak isomer and Mer isomer formed only in octahedral complexes, not in the case of square planar complexes. Complexes having coordination number 6, octahedral complexes, Fak and meridional isomers occurs. Now, as the number of ligands increases, the number of possible isomers also increases. For the octahedral complex of the type M is the central metal ion, A, B, C, D, E, F are monodentate ligand, where A, B, C, D, E and F are monodentate ligands. 15 different orientations are possible, corresponding to 50 geometrical isomers. But it is very difficult to generate all the possible isomers. So, very most important point is that as the number of ligands instead of A, B, C, D, E, F, you can use all these are monodentate ligand, Cl minus, Br minus, I minus, F minus, OH minus, NO2 minus. All these are monodentate ligand. As the number of different ligands increases, the number of possible isomers also increases. Remember this for one word question. For the octahedral complex of the type M, A, B, C, D, E, F, where all these are monodentate ligand. A to F, all these are monodentate ligand. 15 different orientations, 3-dimensional spatial arrangement, orientations are possible, corresponding to 15 geometrical isomers. But it is very difficult to generate all the possible isomers. How many ligands we have? 6 ligands. There is no bidentate ligand here. Starting from A ending with F, all are monodentate. We can use neutral ligand or negative ligand. If the number of different ligands increases, different possible orientations also increases. This is about FAC and meridional isomer. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.